your own Greenspire. In today's video, I'm going to show you all why and how you should use colors for constructive uses. Making a color scheme timetable. So what I'm talking about is going to look something like this. The timetable probably doesn't make sense at first because it's color coded. It's like a different language. You see, color coding speeds up the process of searching. Also, bright colors may make you feel happy and cheery. One of the reasons we feel so is because when we look at something, we involuntarily part it into groups. We find similar characteristics. It gives us the feeling that things are organized and neat, which will either motivate you or help you finish your task faster. And who doesn't like finishing homework earlier than anticipated? Now, getting back to the timetable, what you gotta do is decide colors. Try using completely different colors. It will only make it easier to remember what color stands for what. In this chart, I've done exactly. So now what you're going to need is a tiny sheet of paper on which you'll be drawing a grid. Now all you have to make sure is that the grid is dark enough so that it's seen on the other side. Once that's done, all you gotta do is fill it. This video is mostly tied to school stuff, but if you want to get a little more creative, you can find so much more to this. Also, FYI, this might take a while, so you might want to fast forward. As you could probably tell, this is my first voiceover, so I really hope you all like it. If you do, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you all next Wednesday.